Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to tell you about Celgent Rugs website, and I'll also explain Celgent Rugs website is a scam or legit. So watch the video till end guys, and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website. You can see some products, popular products, shop collection here. So basically Celgent Rugs website is dealing with exclusive range of home decor items and household covers that can make your home more delightful. So I think this is one of the best destinations for you to get amazing and unique style products. Wow, the design is really very unique and modern. So here you can find designer runner carpets, round carpet, and yes, tumbler, bedding sets, pillowcases, doormats, overlay, and many other home decor items. So let's take a look at the specifications. So yeah, the contact information is available on the website. Here you can see the email. If you want to connect with the website customer's representative, then you can connect at cs@celgent.com. But yes, the official address is missing guys. There is no address available on this website. And let's take a look at the return and refund policy. So yes, you can refund the product within 30 days of purchase. And let's take a look at the shipping information. So guys, this website is using SSL encryption technology to ensure the safety and security. And the payment modes are credit cards, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. And yeah, the shipping duration is 5 business days. So here you can see the entire information related to shipping time. And here is the information regarding order tracking. You'll receive a confirmation email with a tracking link so that you can follow your order and track the status. Now let's take a look at this option. This is track order. So you can enter your order ID to track your order information. Okay. So I think the contact us information is missing here. There is no address, which makes me confused. So guys, according to the research, as the contact details are missing, the review section is also not available. So I think we need to check more about this website. You can easily not trust on any website without contact information, because contact information signifies the legitimacy of the website. Well, some customers who buy the products from this website like the quality of the products, and another thing is fast delivery, which is appreciable. But yes, I want to conclude that Celgent Rugs website is not a legit website guys, because it doesn't share its necessary information on its website. So you need to check more about this website. I recommend you to read the details available throughout the website, then make any decision about buying or ignoring it. It's up to you guys. So I think I have done with the unbiased reviews of this website. So I want to tell you some important things as well that you need to consider while online shopping. Guys, you need to check the website URL and whether it is padlocked with HTTPS or not, the privacy policy, and guys, most important thing is company's contact page and information, because without company's contact page and information you can't connect with the company's customers representatives as well. And guys, check also the website reviews, because by reading the website reviews you'll get to know about the legitimacy of the website. So basically I'm not promoting this website. My motive is to provide the authentic information to you. And yes, if you had a bad experience with this company, then yes, you can share your comments in the comment box section. It will also benefit to other customers while doing online shopping. So please like the video and subscribe the channel, and I'll get back to you with more scam and legit alerts. So thank you so much, and thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.